This one is very acrobatic and not the easiest thing to do, although it's short and goes pretty quick. But one of the challenges learning this is how to deal with the up bow ricochet notes. This. And also how to combine that with down up motion. Like so. Not super easy to do, but can be learned, and if you practice this consistently, you can kind of keep this under your belt as a good technique that can be applied occasionally. Luckily, it's not used in classical music repertoire very often. You do see it occasionally, but not every single day. So it's good to kind of get it under your belt, so to speak. Now, when you're practicing this, always remember, always ask yourself, what is my right arm doing? Which finger is responsible for this or for that? Always question these things and always try to find answers and solutions for yourself. Don't wait for somebody else to tell you, oh, that's supposed to be pinky or index finger or a thumb. Find the answer yourself and try to use the rule I like to use with my students. Use the rule of elimination. What if you lift the pinky up in the air? Can you still play this? Yes or no? Yes? Great. No? Okay, why not? And just start thinking like this. Which finger is actually critical here? Maybe multiple fingers. What is happening and why? Once you start thinking like this, it becomes a lot easier to deal with these things because you are kind of engaging critical thinking, and that is a very necessary part of playing violin. I hope you enjoyed this little presentation. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in my next presentation. And in the meantime, I ask you to visit my website where you can find more information about the violin lessons I teach online. Thanks for watching.